Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at Exness. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Exness is a globally regulated online broker that was founded in 2008. This broker offers competitive trading conditions on hundreds of Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and a variety of other instruments. As an Exness client, you can choose from multiple types of live trading accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader platforms and a powerful proprietary platform. Exness is also a registered member of the Financial Commission, and all client accounts have negative balance protection and are covered by the Compensation Fund. This broker operates under the supervision of several Tier 1 regulators, including the Financial Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. Exness offers beginner-friendly accounts and provides a great selection of educational resources, research material, and market news. You will also have access to secure virtual private servers, an economic calendar, trading central news, and 24-hour customer support. Unlike many other brokers, Exness does not charge inactivity fees when you are not actively trading, and this is a low-cost broker that offers low commissions, tight spreads, and minimal trading fees. Exness is an excellent choice for beginners, social traders, and professionals seeking powerful trading platforms, advanced tools, and reliable market data. If you are interested in social trading, you can find a list of all Exness's top strategy providers, and all you need to do is create an account and choose a strategy to follow. Social trading gives you the opportunity to trade in real markets with lower risks. If you are new to trading and if you have a busy schedule, you don't have to miss out on any trading opportunities. Just download the application and let the strategies trade for you. This broker provides 24-hour customer support, free virtual private servers, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Exness also has an entire website dedicated to educating and informing traders, making this broker one of our top-rated brokers for beginners, day traders, and news traders. Exness is a popular CFD broker that offers a wide range of Forex pairs, metals, energies, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. There are more than 100 tradable currency pairs, popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, as well as dozens of other altcoins that you can add to your portfolio. This broker also offers commission-free trading on a great selection of stocks from leading international brands like Amazon, Tesla, and Google. There is no limit on the leverage you can use when trading with Exness, but if you do plan on using margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Exness, click on the Accounts and Instruments tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. Exness provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You will find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. The homepage highlights some of the perks of trading with Exness, such as transparent pricing, fast execution, and free virtual private server hosting. The accounts offered can be found further down the homepage, and there are a total of 5 accounts to choose from. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Tools tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We always recommend reading the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you decide to join any broker. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Exness customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket directly from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in multiple languages, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would also recommend visiting the Help Center for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platforms or anything else, you can contact their support team at any time. As an Exness client, you can use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, or the proprietary Exness Trader application. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, with MetaTrader 4, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010, and it has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and so much more. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also has more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. These platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages, and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. They can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you'd prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. If you are automating your trading strategies, or trading with expert advisors, we recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms, and expert advisors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any browser. The benefits of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server, so you'll never have to worry about overloading servers or issues with backups. To learn more about the features of these platforms, click on the Platforms tab for a full list of features and direct download links. There are 5 types of accounts that you can open with Exness, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. Exness offers 2 types of standard accounts and 3 professional level accounts. Standard accounts are suitable for all types of traders, including beginners, and require the lowest minimum deposits. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend using the standard cent account or practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Once you are ready to open a real account, you can choose from a standard account, a standard cent account, a raw spread account, a zero account, or a pro account. The standard and standard cent accounts are commission-free and offer spreads from as low as 0.3 pips. These accounts share many similarities, however the standard Cent account is a MetaTrader 4 account and can only be used for trading Forex and metals, whereas the standard account gives you access to all the instruments and supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for more competitive trading conditions, Exness offers 3 types of flexible, professional-level accounts. Each account will require a deposit of at least $500 to be activated initially. However, the spreads on all 3 account types are incredibly low, and you can use any of these supported platforms. There is no limit on the leverage you can use, and all accounts except for the Pro account are market execution accounts. When you open a swap-free Islamic account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Exness offers, click on the Accounts and Instruments tab and head over either to the Standard Accounts page or the Professional Accounts page. Creating an account with Exness is free and will only take a few minutes. You can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Exness homepage and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been set up and approved, you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Next, once within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts. Check on analytics, get started with social trading, view your performance, and more. What you'll want to do next is either choose a live account or demo account. And then, after your account is created, simply download, install, and log into your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to use the Exness proprietary trader application. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Exness terminal. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. At the top of the screen, you can browse through their instruments. On the left side of the screen, you have access to a variety of drawing tools, indicators, and more. You can select your watch list, view your portfolio, trading history, as well as contact support. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your buy and sell order window, which makes it easy to open and close positions in just one click. A minimum deposit of $10 is required to open an account with Exness, depending on the account you choose, and your account can be funded using more than 30 base currencies. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, internet banking, NetTeller, Skrill, and a number of other payment methods. Exness generally does not charge any fees. However, additional fees may be payable to the banks or third-party applications you use. You can make a withdrawal using any of these supported deposit methods, and the cost of each deposit will depend on the payment method you choose. However, generally, no fees are charged by Exness. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Exness provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. So if you are new to trading, Exness has everything you need. Additionally, Exness provides FX Street market news, trading central signals, technical analysis indicators, and much more. You will also have access to an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major economic events in over 70 central banks around the world. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. The Exness Academy provides a variety of online trading courses for beginners, intermediate traders, and advanced traders. These courses include risk management, analysis, how trading works, and much more. You can browse through their training videos on the official Exness Academy website, and these videos cover a variety of educational topics for you to browse through at any time and touch up on your trading education. Additionally, you can also watch Trading Central's Web TV, which covers a variety of analytics topics, and is free to watch as you please. Overall, Exness is one of the most trusted online brokers in the trading industry. This low-cost broker is highly regulated and offers competitive trading conditions on a wide range of instruments. Exness is beginner-friendly, but is also an excellent choice for professional traders, social traders, day traders, and news traders. By joining Exness, you will always have the access to the latest market news, high-quality indicators and trading signals, as well as plenty of guides to help you improve your skills. This broker seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. And if you leverage your trades, please remember that it will expose you to greater risks. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We always highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. However, if you are interested, be sure to open your account with Exness today and get a head start on your trading career with a broker that welcomes beginners and professional traders alike. Flexible trading accounts, competitive trading conditions, and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader platforms or the Exness proprietary trading platform. If you are new to trading and would like to try a demo account with Exness, please remember that you will have access to plenty of educational resources if you visit the Exness Academy. And that is our overview of Exness. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.